as you saw in thumbnails, today's video is dedicated to unlock any Android smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock in just only 2 minutes without any software, without any data loss. Yes, my friends, this video is very important for you if you have a locked smartphone. But before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone battery should not charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this unlocking method. Okay, but the second thing is that your smartphone's SIM card and memory card you have to remove from your smartphone. After that, we will start the unlocking process in this smartphone. Okay, the first process of your smartphone's unlocking is the active your airplane mode on your smartphone. From here, after that, you have to go to the engineer mode, emergency call page from this, and click the dialer pad here also. After that, you have to enter a code here. This code called offline mode code, and the code is *#, and this is the code here *0120 and #. Okay, after that, you have to call this code for 3 times to close all your background running applications. So start the calling. When you start the call button, the call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, means totally 3 times. After that, your smartphone goes to offline mode. After that, after completing this process, you have to enter Google FRP code here. Yes, my friend, Google FRP code here, and Google FRP code provided by Google every month on 25th day of the month. Okay, and the code and the current code is *5669191*12779191 and #. Okay, and this is the current Google FRP code, and this is provided by Google on every 25th day of the month. So if you are watching this video in current month, this code will be work 100%. But if you are watching this video in another month, so maybe this code will not work on you. In that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply with a new Google FRP code on you. So please comment us. Okay. After that, you have to call this code for 9 times. When you start the calling, again a call failed message will come on your mobile screen. So you have to click to ignore it, and you have to repeat the same process for 9 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you can take a screenshot for this code. After that, you have to click the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, this smartphone is unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos, and data loss of your smartphone. In that case, your smartphone is still not unlocked from this method. In that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.